This is Cuphea hyssopifolia, better known as false heather, Mexican heather, Hawaiian heather, or elfin herb. It's growing in my garden in Thailand, and it's doing quite well. These plants like sunshine or partial sun, and it seems the more sun they receive, the more beautiful pink-purple flowers you get. They do not tolerate freezing temperatures, so in colder regions it may be cultivated as an annual. They grow low to the ground, so I use them as border plants. They seem to tolerate poor soil, as my local soil is very clayey, and I don't give them any special fertilizer other than the general fertilizer I occasionally sprinkle everywhere in my garden. I'd say they're easy to grow and generally low maintenance. False heather is native to Mexico, Guatemala, and Honduras. Depending on where you live, it can start blooming in late spring and continue until October. The plant may also be used locally as a medicine and insecticide. Propagating new plants is very easy. They produce children plants everywhere, and it's simply a matter of removing the small baby plants with their roots and transplanting them to another location. Some old plants may get woody and die, and you can either trim them all the way down to the roots or pull them out altogether. Don't worry, others will quickly grow to take their place. I really like these plants with their tiny colorful flowers, and they get a big thumbs up from me. You know, I don't do merch, I don't have sponsors, and I don't push products. But simply by watching one more video from one of these links, you can truly support my independent YouTube channel. Thanks so much, take care, and be well.